Thank you for clicking on this video today. Today we're going to start talking about statistics. What is statistics? What does it mean? What do you use it for? So starting out, the very basic definition of statistics is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data in order to make an informed decision. So pretty straightforward and also pretty basic, pretty general. Now, if I were like you, when I started in statistics, I thought, who uses that? It's just kind of a form of math. It's not very valuable. Well, that's not true. A lot of disciplines use statistics. So nowadays, especially because we're in a data-driven world, you have statistics being used in education and quality control and forecasting, social sciences, public health. I mean, we have the whole COVID-19 thing. All of the pharmaceuticals, all of the shots, injections, things like that always have to have some type of statistics to be able to understand what the best decision is. And so with it, you will start with statistics and collecting data. And you can do that a variety of ways. So you can collect data through surveys, you can collect data through your phone, cookies collect data on you. You have data collected on you when you go to the doctor. You have data collection in a variety of ways. Ultimately, the goal of data collection is to be able to get to the point where you can analyze that data. So that data is going to be used to be able to make means, or it's going to make confidence intervals, or it's going to make a hypothesis test, or you're going to try to see if there's a relationship, or maybe you'll map that data. Ultimately, though, you're going to take some data that you've collected to be able to analyze it. And then you're going to use it to make some interpretation or decision. So maybe I collected data on how quickly the glaciers or the ice is melting. And I want to know how quickly I'm going to have land that's underwater. Is it going to take 10 years? Is it going to take 20 years? But statistics is used for that. We forecast how quickly things are going to change. Or maybe you could use information that you collected and see how many trees you need to be able to plant to keep up with the consumption of paper. There are a lot of reasons that you might use statistics. It's really never ending. And the goal is to be able to start by collecting that data, analyze that data, and then use it to make an informed decision. You can use it in the health field where you're trying to figure out how different drugs are going to affect people after they've had open heart surgery. You can think about it in terms of the COVID-19 vaccine. All of those FDA procedures use statistics to make sure that things are safe. So we live in a data world and we collect data, and ultimately the goal of statistics is to use that information we collected to analyze it and then make an informed decision. So throughout these videos, we're going to talk about how to do the analysis, what the different types of data are. We'll also talk about ways to make inferences, what some inferences are, and we'll talk about how to essentially be little baby statisticians who start really small with data, thinking about how to analyze it, and then how to make inferences on it.